Hi, boys and girls. We're back working on our Google slide presentation. Yesterday, we inserted 3 images onto our Google slide to represent the color of our e-learning day. Today, I'm going to show you how to resize and move your images. It's important to understand how to use your mouse to do this. Let's start with the banana. The first thing I'm going to do is click my image. When I do, you're going to see a blue box that comes around it. It's important to understand how to effectively resize your image. Watch what happens when I pull one of these little blue boxes on the side to make it smaller. Do you see how that made the bananas look strange? I don't want to do that. I don't want to ever pull to resize an image from the sides or the top or the bottom. It does something called distorting your image. So to fix this, I'm not going to try to move it back. I'm going to always rely on my undo button. Whenever you make a mistake, stop and hit undo. Never try to fix your mistake. So I'm going to click undo. Watch how it goes back to its original size. Whenever you want to resize an image, that means make it bigger or smaller, and you want to make it still keep the same shape. You always pull from the corner. It doesn't matter which corner you pull from, the right top or the left bottom or the right bottom, but choose a corner. So I'm going to choose this top right corner. I'm going to click with my double arrow, and I'm going to pull it down just a little bit to make my bananas smaller. See how it kept the bananas in the same shape? I can do the very same thing to make it larger. I can pull and drag outward. I'm going to leave my bananas this size, and now I'm going to show you how to move an image. To resize the image, you need the double arrow, but to move an image, you need the 4-pronged arrow. It kind of looks like a compass rose. Anywhere on this image, when I click and hold with my 4 arrows, I can move my image where I want it. So let's say I wanted to move it up here. I would click and drag and let go when I got it where I wanted. If I somehow covered up my name, that's okay. I just hit undo. Let's also move and resize our sunflower. First I click. Remember, grab a corner. This time I'll grab the bottom corner, and I'm going to make this one smaller. I'm going to click the corner with my double arrow and make it a little bit smaller. Then I'm going to click with my 4 arrows and drag it where I'd like it. I haven't let go yet, and I'm going to drop it. Now I'm going to click and resize my sun. Click. This time I'm going to choose the top arrow. Click that corner, pull it up, and when I want to move it, actually I may just leave this one here. Now I have 3 images that have been resized the way I like them and moved to the portion of the Google slide where I'd like them to be. Today we're going to insert just a few more images so I can fill up some of my background. So I'm going to go back, as you remember, to insert, image, search the web, and on my list of yellow things, I also had a lemon. I'm going to find an image I like. I'm going to click it. I'm going to insert. Ooh, I'm not sure I like that white background. I don't like this image. I changed my mind. What do I do when I make a mistake? Do I try to fix it? No. I go to undo, and it deletes it. Let me go back to insert image. Now watch what happens when I click the magnifying glass. The lemons are still there. I can simply pick another image of a lemon. I like this one because it already has the yellow background. So let me click and insert. I also know how to move and resize my image. So I'm going to move this lemon up to the top. And it's covering up my M just a little bit. So I'm going to click my arrow, double arrow in the corner, and resize it a slight bit smaller. There you have it. Take the